So we're told that punch is served in glasses of two sizes. You have the small and large, and then we have this bowl of certain size. And when you fill this with punch, that will fill either 24 small glasses. So if S is the number, or I should say the volume or amount in, let's say, milliliters or ounces that each small glass can have, and the large is L or milliliter, whatever units you're comfortable, then this bowl, the amount is B, that would be 24S, or it's also equal to 15L. So that's the first condition. Then they're asking 10 such bowls. 10B is equivalent to 72 small glasses plus how many large glasses? And X is what I need. So that's the relationship. And now we can go about simplifying this. So B, we can write it in terms of S. You can choose either one. So I will replace B as 24S. If I write that here, that's 24S. And the reason I'm choosing the S is so that I can subtract these two. So if I subtract that, this would be 168S is XL. X is, somehow doing the algebra is easier. This problem, uses less brain power, in my opinion. And then S over L ratio we can get from here 15 over 24 or 5/8. So X would be 168 times 5/8. That's 21 times 5, which is 105. Answer is B. Now, I also want to comment about these types of questions. When I encountered this, even though I've seen so many different questions, I had not seen this variation. And that's what makes these questions difficult, especially when you're doing it under time pressure in a real exam condition. So even though this question looks easier once you've seen the solution and once you've spent 5 minutes on it, it loses its edge. But under exam conditions, just the presentation makes it difficult, and it will be stressful as you're reading, and you might have to read several times these sentences. So that sort of is an important point about the GMAT, is that what you're really training yourself is for these unfamiliar presentations, and you need to have the tools in place, whether it's like schematically visualizing what's happening, being able to translate the relationships, and then kind of formulate what condition they're giving you, again, using variables. So these things you have to be really comfortable. You can't be coming up with this stuff in the exam, for the first time, because it's already so stressful. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of commentary on these questions, because in isolation, sometimes you kind of miss out that what makes these questions difficult. So just something I wanted to share with you.